Hello, and today I'm at Bidston, located on the West Kirby branch of the Wirral Line of Merseyrail and also on the Borderlands line, as you can see here. 15236 has just arrived in from Wrexham General. That will later be forming a service back out for Wrexham General. As arriving in now on the adjacent platform, we have a Merseyrail service bound for West Kirby via Liverpool Central. It is 507032. Very nice, sir. Transport for Wales and Merseyrail. Get ready to depart now as this Merseyrail service to West Kirby via Liverpool Central. So its next stop being at Buckenhead North. A nice tone there from the road cab. Oh, 15236 looks like it's off already, bound for Wrexham General. As off it goes. Looks as if that was the driver training run, actually. There are two drivers in that cab. One of them was holding a notebook. As that heads down the Borderlands line. I keep saying that wrong. With a nice turn here, passing through is a Merseyrail ETS going from West Kirby to New Brighton, I think. Five 7015. Smelling slightly odd, that train. Smells like something's burning. Arriving in hours at 10:48. Service to West Kirby. 508141. That's just one when it departs. Alright, departing out now is going to be the 10:48 to West Kirby. Next stop, Liso. Followed by Morton, Moles, Manor Road, Hoylake and West Kirby. Alright, arriving in now is the 10:53 Merseyrail service from West Kirby to West Kirby via Liverpool Central, which is the last train that I'm filming at this station, but there may be one more clip. 507029. When I say there may be one more clip, you can see what I mean. Alright, now just leaving Bidston, there might be a couple of interesting services that we see on our left. But pay attention to what's in Buckenhead North EMUD itself as we go past. In a minute off. Here we go. 507015 is there. It's blocking the view a bit. But you might have got a brief view of that. Very brief view of that. There were some 230s parked up there. as we ride into Buckingham North. They'll be the new trains that run on the Borderlands line. We saw 150 doing a run today, but hopefully from soon they'll be running on that line. They're actually converted district line stock. Yes, anyway, that just about sums up my time at Bidston. So yes, really do hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.